How are Bedrock mobs smarter than Java mobs? This is just an example. Just an example. Look at this picture. This Java mob can't get out. And I know this looks AI created, but download Bedrock and try this. The zombies will get out. Get out. I know this is one example, but there are other proofs that Bedrock mobs are smarter than Java mobs. Minecraft education is a Bedrock Minecraft. So it says education. So the zombies educated now, they know how to escape rails. That's how Minecraft Bedrock is smarter.